Hi, it's Shane at Boundary Car Care. Today we've fitted a KENWOOD DMX7722DABS to this 2009 Fiat 500. And this unit has DAB, as we'll show you here. Also has the options for FM, USB, Bluetooth, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless. We've also added one of our reverse cameras to this one, and we've integrated the steering wheel controls so that they work with the radio. We'll just have a look at the wireless Android Auto here. So this allows us to use our maps off our phone for navigation, and then it gives us some options of some other apps that are available from your phone. Some of the apps like Spotify, you can use them as if you was using them on your phone. You can search for your songs and scroll through and skip tracks. And you've also got the option to use voice control as well.